coast to Foggy. We are now at Kavilas Resort and it's raining too hard, rain whole night and whole day. And you see it's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon and you see the weather is so foggy. You cannot see the way. Especially down. We cannot see the room that we stayed down. Nice, huh? There, the room there, like 1, 2, 3, 4 steps down. The restaurant and the hotel. The restaurant here, the food serves are all organic. They raise their own hens, they grow their own vegetables, and they serve native eggs. And they have their own fish pan also. There's a free swimming pool here if you stay whole night. And personal games and others. Jasmine, ano? Di ba? They have extended tables to serve people. Ang hangin, mahangin, malamig. Ako to. Reception. Go there, I will take your pictures. Look here, guys. 1. Christina, look at me. Ima, do not move now. 1, 2, 3, smile. Smile ba? Kung smile ni garden na boy. Smile gano'n na. Oh, kutirang probasa. You see, you're so beautiful and handsome now.
Chitwan participants, Islamic Peace Association, Nepal. Agad tuwing Is that you? Is that your thing?
It's raining cat on down. Oh my god. Nice place. OMG. OMG. It's raining so hard.